Hi, this is Simon. My wife Carrie and I spent 2 weeks traveling in Switzerland and Italy. This video will show you where we went. Last summer, my wife and I traveled to Switzerland and Italy. We flew in and out of Zurich. We stayed in the old town. There are a few landmarks like the Fraumünster Church you can see here. It's a nice little walking area. Right there is the Grossmünster medieval two-towered church. And this is the Limmat River that flows from the Lake Zurich. When you're in Switzerland, you have to try fondue. So we visited a fondue restaurant. It has melted cheese. Usually dip bread in it. You can also dip potatoes and other goodies. It was really good. A short bus ride from Zurich will take you to the Lindt Chocolate Factory. Been waiting for this. That's good. What's your favorite white? Yes, indeed. One more. I don't want dark. Lots of samples. I'm gonna skip the dark. We're almost done with the tour, I think. Our time in Zurich was short as we had many other places to visit. We took the opportunity to walk down and look at Lake Zurich on our last night there. Our next stop was Bern. It's about a 1-hour train ride from Zurich. Come on now. Do something.
Yeah.
I think every hour it moves Oh. There you go. Free water, save money. That's good stuff. Oh, wow. That's nice. It's Protestant, I think. Everything Protestant here. Very nice bridge over the river dam, creating a canal. The cathedral, Bern Cathedral. Beautiful fountain. Look at this bear, medieval figure, the banner, armored bear. He's here. Yeah.
Oh. Mais il a une grosse baffe, non?
Oh my god, he's huge. One of the must-do things in Interlaken is Harderkolm, an overlook that looks over the city between the lakes.
Willkommen bei der Harderbahn, top of Interlaken.
Okay, looks like a bit of a hike to get to the main viewpoint. The view from the top is excellent. You can see Interlaken between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz. If you're staying in Interlaken, you really should take a lake cruise. There are 2 lakes, Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, and ferries that make scheduled stops around each lake. You can find a departure time that suits your timetable. Geisbach Falls is a really nice stop. You can take a funicular up to the waterfall area. There's a hotel there and restaurant. You can also hike the falls. I regret we did not have time to do so. Our last stop on the ferry tour was Iseltwald, a Swiss village with a picturesque Seeburg Castle. There's also the pier where Crash Landing on You was filmed. A short bus ride from Interlaken will take you to one of the best cave systems in the world, the St. Vitus Caves. From Interlaken, we took a train to Lauterbrunnen, which means loud water, and I think you'll see why. The first things you'll notice in Lauterbrunnen is Stabach Waterfall and its stunning height. A mildly challenging hike will take you up to the waterfall. Oh my god, isn't it beautiful? A short bus ride from the Stabach Falls will take you to the trail that leads to the spectacular Tremmelbach Waterfalls. There are 10 levels of waterfalls. You can take an elevator up to the top and walk your way down. Highly recommend it. Definitely excellent. And back in the Lauterbrunnen village, you can catch the Murren Gondola, which offers impressive views of the surrounding peaks. After an unforgettable day in Lauterbrunnen, we took a train to Grindelwald, which we would use as a base camp to reach the Jungfrau, the highest accessible peak in Europe. It's known as the Top of Europe. From Grindelwald, you can see the Eiger and Jungfrau mountaintops. Jungfrau is the highest accessible peak, accessible by a gondola and train ride. Well, happy birthday.
Thank you.
I'm going to the mountaintop. Wow, we get one all to ourselves. We're gonna go way up there. Snowy Cap Peak, Jungfrau. Observatory, look out. You can see the valley way below. After the Ice Palace, you can go to a snow park and there's a zip line over the glacier. It's a lot of fun. Chocolate fondue. Been waiting all vacation for this. It's good. Looks good. View of the Matterhorn. Hi, on our way to Gornergrat. I'm gonna see if we can get some tickets for the 8 a.m. Wow. And just a short walk down the hill, and we'll catch the next train. Leaving early for Zurich. Conclude our Switzerland trip, pretty much. Early train, long day of trains today. We took the train from Zermatt to Zurich, and then from Zurich to Milan. It took about 8 hours. There it is, finally got here. We're in the Piazza Mercanti, medieval marketplace. We have a band playing right now, very loud. On the roof. Gorgeous. It's warm up here. Nice and sunny. Steps down. This place takes your breath away. It's so huge. Central nave. Under the dome. Ancient. We're up here on the battlements. Pretty cool. Let's see her moves. Salsa, baby. The Cinque Terre are 5 villages along the Italian Riviera. We took the 3-hour train from Milan to Vernazza and then hiked from Vernazza to Monterosso. It was just a brutal set of stairs. Worth the view, maybe? Feels like we're going downhill now. I know Carrie's going to be happy about that. It was such a relief to get to Monterosso. You can get a nice cold drink and take a swim if you like. Okay, it's about time to leave. So bye-bye Monterosso, bye-bye Cinque Terre. It's been nice. We took a 1-hour train from Milan to Verona, where you can catch a ferry to Bellagio. Once on Bellagio, we took a nice little walk down to the gardens of Villa Melzi. It's a picturesque botanical garden with statues, lakeside paths, and a villa on the grounds.
Museum?
Oh, that's the museum. A short walk from the villa and you can find a beach to take a swim. After Lake Como, we returned to Milan and then flew back by way of Zurich. We had a great vacation. It was a lot of fun and some great experiences. Thanks for watching.